Okay, here the American standard. It's the American standard. Just 2 years old. It's 80,000 BTU. E6.3. E36. Ignite relay fair and ignite open. Okay, let me check igniter. Okay, this is the igniter inside. It's not open. It's 49 ohm. It's not open. So it ignited is fine. Okay, so the problem is the main control board bad. E6.3, so I've tuned the main control board. Okay. This is the old board. You can see this area. You can see here. There's something water. It's not water. It's moisture damage. You can see this side. You can see here, it's pretty clean. And then we can see here, something water rust, moisture rust there. Okay, let me, this is the new one. You can see everything is clean. Okay, just to change a new board there. This old one, this is the new one, just installed. Let me turn on the furnace. Okay. Something dirty there. You can see some black. Something dirty here. You can see here, there's a black line, some dust line. It's, I'm not sure what this, where is it coming from?